Welcome to the Future of Business Innovation, AI Skill Mastery 2026. A 4-week hybrid workshop designed exclusively for SMEs and working professionals who want to master practical AI tools, boost efficiency, and drive real business results. Whether you're a business owner looking to optimize operations, a marketing professional aiming to stay ahead of trends, or a manager wanting to integrate AI into daily workflows, this program is built for you. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll guide you through a transformative learning experience. Week 1: AI for Business Transformation. Discover what AI really means for your industry. Understand how small and medium businesses are using it to gain massive competitive advantages. Week 2: Practical AI Tools for Marketing, Sales and Productivity. Learn how to automate content creation, customer engagement, lead nurturing, and more using cutting-edge AI platforms. Week 3: Workflow Automation and Generative AI Applications. See how you can save hours every week by automating repetitive business tasks and using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others to innovate. Week 4: Building AI Strategies for Sustainable Growth. Design your very own AI implementation roadmap to future-proof your career or business in 2026 and beyond. This isn't just another tech workshop, it's a hands-on, results-driven learning experience. Each session runs just 4 hours per week, blending live sessions, interactive case studies, and real-world projects. You'll learn directly from industry experts who have implemented AI across marketing, business, and operations. And the best part: you can join from anywhere. It's a hybrid model, online or in person. By the end of this 4-week journey, you'll walk away with white heavy check mark confidence to apply AI tools in real business scenarios. White heavy check mark a clear roadmap for AI integration. White heavy check mark certification in AI Skill Mastery 2026, a mark of your future-ready expertise. So, are you ready to lead your business and career into the AI era? Join us for AI Skill Mastery 2026, where innovation meets real-world impact. Register now and unlock the power of artificial intelligence for your success.